Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence S0GC01BN. This is a ceiling mounted glass clamp. It's a sleeve over glass clamp ceiling mount. I have one removed from the packaging here. S0GC01BN. The BN in the part number means brushed nickel. Ceiling mount clamp, you get the idea how that works. Your glass will fit inside of here, and that's going to be compliant with glass thicknesses between 5/16 and ½ of an inch thick. You're going to have a nut with a nylon tip on the end of it. You will then also have a plastic gasket so as to set on the other side so the glass is not making contact with any of the base material, which happens to be brass. This is all brass base material with a brushed nickel finish on it. You're also going to get a single screw for attaching to the ceiling, enough to at least get you started with installation. Assists in shear forces. You know, it's very common that you'll have a large panel and you'll have a door attached to it, and you're simply going to have that, let's say a 5-foot span where you've got a 30-inch door or thereabouts and you've got a 30-inch panel. Well, that's a lot for that door to be hinged on, so it'll be very commonly attached up to the ceiling so that you've got a stable side panel that your large heavy piece of glass is attached to. Lots of places where I guess you would use a ceiling clamp or a ceiling, it is a clamp, but a ceiling mounting point, and this would be it. Okay. Now, this is going to be available in several finishes: ORB for oil rubbed bronze, BRZ or ABRZ for antique bronze, BN for brushed nickel, BN for polished brass, pardon me, BR for polished brass, SC for brushed satin chrome, CH for polished chrome, GP for gold plated, PN for polished nickel, and then SC for just satin chrome. Let me give you the dimensional properties of this item. There is a drawing below this video that you can click on and view it, but let's go over it now. 1 3/4 is the overall depth, and that appears to be accurate. 1 inch wide, that's also accurate. 3/4 tall, that's looking good as well, along with a nominal size of 3/4 inch between or for the opening. So that adjusting nut will allow you to tighten that down to get from your, again, 5/16 to ½ of an inch. There are a large diversity of available shower door enclosure clamp type items for use in shower enclosures. Every sort of geometry that you can think of, mounting to the wall or to the ceiling or to a side panel, to the sill as well. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog for their shower door hardware. But you'll see on that page that there are maybe a couple of dozen individual catalogs that really give the impression of just how large the footprint is that C.R. Lawrence gets into. This is going to be in the SD catalog, or shower door catalog is where you'll find this. What I like to do is open that document up. I might do a search by part of the part number, and I'll be able to get to that page of the catalog and then quickly and immediately see all of the sister products that are related to it. Quite frankly, sometimes that's just an easier way to find other ideas. You might find something more appropriate for the project that you're working on. If you have any questions on the CRL S0GC01BN ceiling mount sleeve over glass clamp in a BN finish or brushed nickel, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.